So colors and then shortcut. Let me do shortcut first, just for those of you where you're like, I think I'm getting the shortcut, and then I'll go back to the colors. Okay, look. If that's 60, this 60 goes into 91s. This is the 30 side. This is the rad 3. This is a 2. Okay, so now how do I throw this into a calculator? Because what you have is 4 rad 3 over 3 all over 2. So what you do is on the calculator, and by the way, you're going to end up with 2 rad 3 over 3. You hit the fraction button twice. 1, 2. And so see how the numerator is now set up? See how there's a little fraction and then a bigger fraction? If the denominator is a fraction, then you first you first type in the number, then you hit fraction, and so it's kind of different. But if the numerator is a fraction, you hit 1, 2, and you hit it twice. And so then it's 4 rad 3, don't do that, 3, 2, and so there it is, and you're going to get 2 rad 3 over 3. I tell you, the calculator is the hero in all of this. 2 rad 3 over 3, and that is your scale factor. So then if I want to know what m is and n, what is rad 3 times 2 rad 3 over 3? You're going to end up with 2. And that's because what's rad... Okay, I'm going to put in the calculator, but for those of you that want to do it in your head, you have 2. What's rad 3 times rad 3? Rad 9 over 3, but what's the square root of 9? 3, so you're left with 2 times 3 over 3. These cancel out, and so that's why you're going to end up with 2. The calculator will do it all for you. So what is rad 3, click to the right, times 2 rad 3 over 3, 2 rad 3 over, oh wait, I didn't register. Yeah, look at that. Okay, rad 3 fraction, oh no, click to the right, rad 3 fraction, oh, I gotta hit click times, okay, there we go, look at that. See, you just got a lesson on what not to do. 2 rad 3 over 3. So what's rad 3 times 2 rad 3 over 3? And there's my 2. So the calculator knows all the rules. That's why I say use the calculator. Make sure you and your partner are typing, because human error, like obviously you guys watch me do this, and I'm not looking at the screen. I'm just pushing the buttons, and in my head it makes sense, but then the screen's off. Okay. Okay, so I get 2. All right, what is n? 1. So what is 1 times 2 rad 3 over 3? Right, perfect. 2 rad 3 over 3. So go slow. All right, let me do colors. So this is 30. This is 30. Okay, 2. 60 goes into 91. So this is rad 3. Both are equally popular, so just see what you prefer. And it's okay if your partner does it one way and you do the other way. It's totally fine. And if you happen to get like a tutor that they show you like this X, it's fine. Remember, you're doing proportions, so yeah. You're working on proportions, so it's as long as you're multiplying, dividing, yeah. You're still doing it correctly. And then throw in the calculator, and you get 2 rad 3 over 3. And so then what is m? Rad 3, 2 rad 3 over 3. You multiply, so m is 2 times rad 3 times rad 3 over 3. The calculator will know that this becomes a 3, and that's why you'll get 2. And then n, it's just this. 2 rad 3 over 3. Some could be really, really easy, where you're like, oh, I could do this in my head, and some are easy, and then the next one you're like, ew, this is complicated. That's just the way trig is. Some problems are just ridiculously easy, and then some, all of a sudden you're like, hey, partner, bestie, help me with this. Like, if say somebody's better with the calculator. Just make sure you guys are trying on the calculator, okay? Oh, okay, here.